I'm Barry Gordy to the streets. With a to that boy that been a beast. I wanna be there when each one of my kids born. Royal blood, 100 acres each to live on. Real to the day that I'm deceased. Even then I pray I'm living through these beats.
What?
Sitting there with them, they sleep. I think you might watch them for mama getting up. They sleep, bro. But they sleep.
Hold on. I better get up. Yeah.
Hey, Robert.
Hey. Your name, which? Damn, man, I ain't finished talking. I ain't finished talking, bro. You should skip. I was gonna say, yo, what you say? Yo.
Yo, crazy, but do you remember that one time where I fucked you so hard? Say no, Diddy. Yes, Diddy.
I don't know.
What the fuck? Is that Kendrick Lamar? Oh my god, Kid, I'm such a big fan. Oh my god, Kid. Oh my god, Kid, I'm so good.
You not look like that nigga. See, they just chatting, bro. They just talking. They gotta look like Kendrick Lamar. Boy, get the fuck out.
Robert.
Yo.
Did you show me your toes earlier?
No!
Just you showed me your sock, you showed me your feet earlier.
Yo.
Did you or did you not?
You ain't exposing me, damn.
That's crazy.
And what about it?
Yo.
Damn, nigga, we look alike, bro. Holy shit.
Yeah, what up? Yeah. I felt it. I had to skip him off the long time. I felt it. I better get up and get it.
Oh, you sexy, Benedict.
Yeah.
We're gonna game. Oh my god, you are sexy.
Hey man, I ain't that type of person be call me sassy, bro. If you a dude, bro.
Sassy? It's not sassy, it's...
Yes, she is, but you call me sassy. I ain't that type of person. I don't like that, bro. I ain't got it. Get your ass on, bro. It's just too awkward to go on monkey out, man. Yeah. What up? We
Hey,
go
just have to speak. They ain't gonna speak, bro. That's crazy. They ain't gonna speak.
Yeah.
That's too.
Yo,
Yeah.
what's good? Yeah, you just taking nothing you will move.
I didn't say yo. I'm not moving.
Nah, cause you're not doing move. You say yo. That shit was spooky.
I did say yo. What's up?
Yeah,
It's the slow people.
Yo, that boy. Kenny.
So, you down to show me some titties? Yo, you wanna try some chicks for me?
What?
You trying to try some chicks for me?
I'm not like that, bro. Who are you?
I could buy you some oil. I could catch you some oil.
I'm not that one, though. Those. Why?
$20 is $20.
What the fuck are you? Oh, man.
You know, it's him. English or Spanish?
D-O-double-G. Yeah.
Snoop, always Snoop. Every people call me Snoop.
But you look like Snoop, that's a good thing, man. Yeah. That's good.
That was a good thing, man. Everybody call me Snoop, bro. Well, that just happened like that.
Well, you want to be known as who you are, huh?
Yeah, but not like Snoop Dogg like that.
Alright, what's good, Rob?
Yeah, that's what I like.
You like basketball?
NBA, yep. NBA Finals as well.
What do you think on the finals?
The Celtics, I'm interested in watch the NBA Finals.
You know the Timberwolves, they got best team ever, right? They got Rob Dillon and
I only heard that Lakers a better team.
Lakers, Ronnie did not even score. They do better points, man.
Oh, for
The
real?
Lakers are good. Yeah, the Lakers and the Warriors are finished. Yeah. You like the Warriors?
Yeah.
You like the Warriors?
Yeah, I love with the Warriors, got Steph Curry. And,
Yeah. I got a Momo out, man. Who did him? Who did he blow out your team? I was still there. Anthony Davis hit him. Yeah. What preach, bro?
y'all related?
No, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, alright. Yeah. Yeah. Hello? Oh,
Someone is wonderful retarded or not. Oh, so retarded, it doesn't matter.
oh yeah.
But if you're older than 18 or 11, and you can't the case.
So y'all not old enough?
I'm like 11. Oh, my God. No, 11.
For real?
No, we're not. I'm not 11.
For real? Be honest.
No, we're not. I'm not 11. No,
Y'all
we're
look
11.
like, y'all look grown as hell, so how y'all think y'all not really at top of the age?
How old is one? How old is one? And I'm how old are we like?
I'm guessing 20, 19.
Yeah, we're not. We're not.
So y'all... Oh, this is so crazy.
What's that like? Bro. The match.
I don't feel like trying to mess with people.
Like Sally.
I don't feel like messing with people, but they don't want to talk shit on the It depends what I feel like. If they want to start shit at the wrong place at the wrong time, watch your back, bro. Watch your back.
Hello?
Hello? What the fuck is that? Got him. What's up with people's skills? Why ain't really say nothing? Hey. I can't really hear you. I can't hear so funky you can't skip me. Yo. Hey, don't say that. You call me baby. Say baby to the gay nigga. I'm not the gay nigga. I'm not the nigga. You said baby, bro. Don't play with me.
I did not see that. Oh my God, I did not see that.
If you like to say it to the gay niggas, don't say it to me.
Yes, bro. Yeah, okay, baby. I did not see that.
Yeah, bro. Yo.
Hello?
Y'all related? No? Y'all friends or y'all brothers, sisters? Cousins or sisters?
Brothers.
Oh, or sister?
Get out of this.
How are y'all brothers? Y'all both girls.
Why are you asking?
So I said, are y'all related? Y'all sisters or cousins or something?
No, you're not brothers.
How? Y'all girls. Y'all supposed to be sisters.
No.
What is that brother? Like, y'all not boys. Boys be y'all.
Yeah, brother, boy. Do you have to see a handshake? There's a handshake. Hold on. Hold on. Here's a good one. You're check.
Nah. Y'all sisters.
No.
Cause no way y'all brother. Y'all sisters don't make sense.
Brother.
Yeah, sisters. I'll see y'all.
Then you put women and sisters and they keep
Because it makes sense. Y'all brothers. Y'all girls. Y'all supposed to be sisters. Like, what is that? Like,
What if I am trans? Yeah.
no. You trans?
No.
That's what it means. You got brothers, so somebody is a trans. Who's a trans person? That's you trans?
You don't understand.
I'm trying to understand, because that don't make no damn sense.
No, we are brothers. Like, brothers.
Oh, anyway.
18.
I'm 18. I look like I got about 16, 15 or something like that. What the fuck? You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying that, and y'all trying to make me believe it. Y'all brothers, y'all sisters or something. Yeah.
Hey, what's good, bro?
What up? What you want?
There's only one thing I'm gonna...
What's up?
There's only one explanation of why you have a headset on in your bed right now is I'm getting the vibe you're a producer, like Pierre Villain, so.
What do you mean?
Well, you're getting producer vibes, bro. Like you in the bed right now, like cooking up some shit.
Nah.
You just vibing and watching some shit.
Yeah, I'm just vibing, just gonna be on. That's what I'm doing.
I gotta skip. I gotta find some hoes.
Oh yeah, you gotta find some hoes.
Hey, hold up, bro.
You wanna find some hoes? That's what you trying to find?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get ready.
Yeah, right.
Do you remember me from high school, bro?
No. You see your face. I don't know what you're talking about.
Dude, what the fuck? This is so crazy, bro.
Who are you? I can't see your face. Since you know me, I don't know you to see your face. Okay, then, so what the fuck you talking about? Yo.
Hi.
Alright, what you eating? Oh. It's yogurt?
Ice cream.
Oh. What type of ice cream?
Vanilla.
You should get a strawberry. That is ass. Strawberry. You should get the formula cream ice cream. That's my favorite. Cinnamon ice cream is my favorite. You need to try that. It's already at the stuff. You need to get that.
Cinnamon ice cream?
What?
Cinnamon ice cream?
Yep. It's good. That vanilla you eat is ass. They should ban it. Cause it's old as hell. It's past. It's new generation now. You need to get rid of that. It's time to eat some new stuff.
That just sounds nasty.
Nah.
And he was like, what's that little YouTube, that new YouTuber that, he's funny, bro. He be Yes, that's what the major hurt not to look like. It didn't hurt Jazz girl. Jazz could just like that nigga, bro. Here's your real name.
Who's that?
Bro, you gotta look him up, bro. You look just like him, because he got beads in his head too, bro.
I ain't got no hairstyle like them. I'm talking about I look like them.
But just look him up.
I can't see.
It's alright. Not me. I haven't seen a game for a second.
I don't look like that.
No, that's not. That's me. That's me, a twin.
Hey, shut up. Oh, who's that? I don't know. Who's that? No. It's definitely.